Before you worry about form, before you think about sets, reps, or technique, there are 3 primal intentions that shape every single movement you make. These aren't your typical techniques. They're pathways that connect your inner experience with your outer expression. And when you work with them, movement stops being mechanical and becomes alive. So let's breathe some life into our movement with this first intention, and I already gave it away. That's right, the breath. This is your anchor. It maps stability and structure through your torso, which includes your pelvis, rib cage, and up through the neck and head. We want a stable platform through the center so we can leverage the 4 corners of the torso, the shoulders and the hips, which connect and control the limbs through the center. Every inhale, every exhale tells your body you're safe, you're strong, and you're centered. And when breath becomes that stabilizer, you become more open through the structure of the body, and movement is easier because your nervous system isn't trying to seek out stability with a bunch of added tension. But breath alone isn't enough, because when it comes to movement and training, we have to apply that stability to physical tasks. This is where the next intention comes in. Wherever your body meets the world, your feet, your hands, even your back against the floor, you're creating a feedback loop. Those contact points are sensors, feeding back into your center and tying your body together into one global connection. When we have more contact points, we have more support, and we can feel that connection. This is why laying on the ground and rolling around is an incredible way to bring you back into your body. But as we decrease contact points, we're relying on less support and feedback, which means we've got to root through those points of contact, breathe, and feed that connection through the center of the body. Now, once your body is grounded, the question becomes, where does it go? That's where the eyes come alive. Your eyes are your steering wheel. They guide your movement and connect you to your environment. So when your gaze is intentional, your body follows with purpose. You're not just going through the motions, you're engaging with the world around you. When you move with these primal intentions, you stop second-guessing yourself. You feel confident in what you're experiencing, you trust your ability to connect, and you show up with presence. So the next time you're about to train, practice, or play, feel into those intentions. Breathe into stability, ground through the contact points, and engage with your environment through your vision. These intentions bring us deeper into the experience of our bodies, and they ripple outward into the environment. It's a co-creation. You're not moving alone. You're constantly interfacing, constantly exchanging. And that is really what the practice is. If you want to integrate primal intentions into your movement right now, watch this video here. I'll guide you through some simple exercises to awaken the animal within. One more reminder to snag that free daily charge program and to check out the Primal Athlete program on the smoov app. Links below. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next one. Stay smoov.